Wow, ready for a wild ride? Buckle up, beach lovers. We're headed to Montego Bay, Jamaica's crown jewel. Picture this: golden sand, crystal clear waters, and reggae vibes that'll make your heart dance. Mo Bay isn't just a place, it's a party waiting to happen. But here's a juicy secret. Montego Bay got its name from pig fat. Yep, you heard that right. This slice of paradise was once famous for shipping lard. Talk about a glow up. Get ready to dive into Mo Bay's hidden treasures. We're about to uncover the coolest spots and craziest adventures. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be booking your flight. So, are you ready to discover why they call this place the complete resort? Let's jump in and make some unforgettable memories. First up, we've got to talk about Doctor's Cave Beach. Just imagine, wiggling your toes in powdery white sand, the Caribbean Sea stretching out before you like a sheet of turquoise glass. The water here is so clear, you might think you've stepped into a postcard. But here's a fascinating tidbit. This beach got its name from a doctor who claimed its waters had healing properties. So go ahead, take a dip. You might come out feeling rejuvenated. Just don't forget your sunscreen, or you'll be healing from something else entirely. Now, if you're craving some adventure on your beach day, why not try some water sports? Montego Bay is a water lover's paradise. You can go snorkeling, kayaking, or even try stand-up paddleboarding. There's nothing like gliding across crystal clear waters with colorful fish beneath your feet. And get this, Montego Bay Marine Park, Jamaica's first marine protected area, covers nearly 6 square miles of coral reefs and mangroves. So you're having fun and exploring a protected underwater wonderland at the same time. But wait, there's more. For those who want to channel their inner Jacques Cousteau, set sail on a glass-bottom boat tour. It's like having a window to an underwater world without getting your hair wet. You'll see vibrant coral reefs, tropical fish, and if you're lucky, maybe even a sea turtle or two. And speaking of incredible adventures, ever thought about riding horses in the sea? Yes, that's right. Just imagine galloping along the shoreline before your steed takes you into the refreshing Caribbean waters. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that's definitely Instagram-worthy. All right, time to dry off and head to our next adventure. Remember those reggae beats I mentioned? No trip to Jamaica is complete without diving into its rich musical culture. And there's no better place to do that than Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just a tourist trap? But trust me, this place is more than just a name. It's a slice of paradise where the music is always pumping, the drinks are always flowing, and the vibe is always chill. Plus, where else can you ride a 120-foot waterslide right into the Caribbean Sea? Margaritaville is an experience worth every minute. Speaking of one-of-a-kind experiences, let's talk about bamboo rafting down the Martha Brae River. Picture this, gliding down a jade green river, lush tropical forests on either side, with nothing but the sound of birdsong and gently lapping water. Your raft captain, a local expert, will share stories of Jamaican history and folklore. The river is even named after a witch who, legend has it, used her powers to divert its course. Whether you believe in magic or not, this peaceful journey is undeniably enchanting. If you want to uncover more natural wonders, don't miss the Green Grotto Caves. These limestone caverns are a maze of stalactites, stalagmites, and underground lakes. And here's something cool. They were a filming location for the James Bond movie, Live and Let Die. Descending 65 feet below ground level feels like stepping into another world entirely. History buffs, take note. You can't miss Rose Hall Great House. This Georgian mansion, overlooking the bay, is said to be haunted by its former mistress, Annie Palmer, known as the White Witch of Rose Hall. As you tour the beautifully restored house, you'll hear tales of Annie's cruelty, her supposed voodoo practices, and the mysterious deaths of her 3 husbands. And here's an intriguing secret. Rose Hall reportedly has a passageway from its basement to a beach nearly a mile away. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the eerie stories, combined with the house's imposing architecture and stunning views, make for an unforgettable experience. Lightening the mood a bit, let's head to the Hip Strip. This bustling stretch along Gloucester Avenue is the beating heart of Montego Bay's tourist scene. It's a riot of color, sound, and flavors that will make your head spin in the best way possible. Shop for authentic Jamaican crafts, groove to live reggae music, or sample some mouth-watering local cuisine. Have you tried jerk chicken? If not, what are you waiting for? The Hip Strip is the perfect place for this spicy, smoky Jamaican specialty. For a more laid-back vibe, Dead End Beach is your spot. Despite its name, this place is anything but dead. A favorite among locals, it offers a fantastic view of planes landing at the nearby airport. Grab a red stripe beer, kick back, and watch as jumbo jets seem to skim the water before touchdown. It's a thrilling sight that never gets old. Sangster International Airport, seen from Dead End Beach, is the busiest airport in the English-speaking Caribbean, handling over 4 million passengers annually. That's a lot of folks coming to enjoy Montego Bay's sun. Before we wrap up, there's the Luminous Lagoon, one of only a few places in the world where you can experience bioluminescence. As night falls, board a boat and head out onto a lagoon that transforms into an ethereal blue glow as the boat moves. Jump in for a swim and be surrounded by shimmering blue water in the dark of night. This natural wonder in Montego Bay is the brightest of only 4 such lagoons worldwide. How amazing is that? For adrenaline junkies, Montego Bay has Chukka Caribbean Adventures, offering heart-pumping zip-lining through Jamaica's lush jungle canopy. It's an exhilarating way to experience Jamaica's natural beauty. And let's not skip the food. Beyond jerk chicken, try Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. It might look different, but it's absolutely delicious. For dessert, grab some Jamaican patties. These flaky, savory pastries are perfect on-the-go snacks. For a taste of local life, visit the Montego Bay Cultural Center. This beautifully restored building features a museum showcasing the city's history, from its indigenous Taino inhabitants to its colonial past and beyond. A great way to understand the rich tapestry of cultures that make up modern Jamaica. Ready to experience Montego Bay's full splendor? Check out the best all-inclusive resorts that put you in the heart of these unforgettable adventures. Link is in the description. Your journey is just beginning. The next destination will blow your mind. Join me in the next video to explore the best all-inclusive resorts in Montego Bay. Click here to watch now and join the adventure.